Here's a quick update on high-capacity transit planning in West Phoenix. On January 27, 2026, the Phoenix City Council voted to reevaluate high-capacity transit options for West Phoenix and to prioritize the proposed West Phoenix corridor along Indian School Road. In response, Valley Metro says it will exit project development and the Federal Transit Administration Capital Investment Grant process for the Capital Extension, also known as CAPEX. Valley Metro says it remains committed to bringing high-capacity transit to West Phoenix to meet demand and support mobility in the corridor. Next, the focus shifts to advancing planning for the West Phoenix study along Indian School Road, with comprehensive community engagement at the center of the process. If you live, work, or own a business along the corridor, Valley Metro says your input will help shape what comes next. To stay engaged and get project updates, sign up at valleymetro.org/notices.